Welcome back on this Thursday evening. Hope you had a great day. A lot of cloud cover throughout the day, but the clouds broke just in time to get a very pretty sunset in many areas. So that was a nice finish. Looking ahead to your Friday, I think fog is that issue we're going to be dealing with for part of the day, I should say. First alert, weather day still intact for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. We're slowly watching this system evolve, and as it does, we're watching that wintry travel. Still looks like that is going to be the big issue in terms of some ice on the road, maybe snow on top of that ice. But the system itself has kind of jumped up a little bit. So now what we're looking at is early on Sunday, and it looks like the bulk of the system is going to make its way through the area on Christmas Eve as opposed to Christmas Day. And we'll look at that in just 1 second. Right now, again, we're watching that system starting out as rain on Christmas Eve, but I think a pretty quick transition in some areas to a wintry mix, including freezing rain and some snow as well. Now, dependent upon temperatures here as well. We're a little bit warmer to start the day than we are as the system starts to roll through later in the day. So some areas are going to see more rain, some it's going to be more of that wintry mix and snow. Also positioning of the storm. So it's pretty complex in terms of the track, the timing, and where we're going to see the best chance for rain, the best chance for snow. One thing we do know is a lot of the area is going to be impacted travel-wise because of slick roads out there. So that goes for Christmas Eve, but also into Christmas morning. The system may be moving or exiting early Christmas morning, but any roads that are frozen, we're seeing slick roads out there, they're going to stick around for a few hours. This Christmas Day, it'll be cooler out there. So again, that's what we're watching for that 2-day period. Here is a look at your forecast, breaking it down. This is Sunday morning, about 9 o'clock. We've got green indicating the rain, and again, a lot of, see Minnesota there, Bemidji, Fergus Falls, down through Sisseton, St. Cloud, getting that rainfall. Then you've got this thin line where we're expecting kind of that mix of rain, freezing rain. Then it's more of a freezing rain snow scenario, potentially. This is just one weather model tracking it, but one thing that's happened is really become more robust on Sunday, being that day that's going to cause the most issues. Now we're at 2 o'clock, very little movement here, so that opportunity for precipitation in whatever form we're going to see it in at that particular time is going to be there for a while. You know, again, several hours. The system begins to exit by about 6, 7, 8 o'clock on Christmas Eve. Again, this is one weather model interpretation. I do think we have the chance to still see some light snow in some areas right through early Christmas morning. Then we get a break on Christmas. Then on Tuesday morning and a Tuesday afternoon, see the area shaded in pink there. That's more mixed precipitation, which we could see. So kind of keeping an eye on that. May end up being a first alert weather day as well. We'll continue to watch those weather models. So we look at our current numbers right now. Still a little mild in Fargo, 39 degrees. Other areas starting to cool it down a little bit. Low to mid 30s out there. We're at 30 in Langdon right now, 32 Howlock, 36 in Roseau, also in Thief River Falls, 34 degrees in Bemidji, 33 Devil's Lake. We get some clearing overnight, but that leads to fog development from about midnight on. Pretty widespread dense freezing fog out there. So even tomorrow morning, a few roads could be slick just because of that freezing fog. Afternoon high temperatures tomorrow. We'll finally get a little sunshine in. We're going to see low to mid 30s, maybe a couple upper 30s for highs out there. Looks like the warm spots, Sisseton at 42. We've got 38 degrees in Fargo, 31 tomorrow in Grand Forks. So we've got, again, fog tomorrow, 38. We've got a mild day on Saturday, 43. Then again, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that complex weather system moves in. We're going to see some rain, some freezing rain, some sleet, some snow with this thing. And again, tricky travel out there. Then we get past Tuesday. Then it gets drier again, cooler, highs in the low 30s. And by Sunday and Monday, next Sunday and Monday, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, going to be mid to upper 20s, lows in the teens. And it looks dry right now.
We could be into the new year without seeing any real impactful snowfalls or dips below zero.
I think more than likely that will be the case, yeah.
Incredible.
Amazing.
Yes.
Thanks,